Hello guys, namaste. Welcome back to the Right Investor. आज हम बात करेंगे टू द टॉप अबाउट द टॉप थ्री लार्ज कैप स्टॉक्स जो मेरे को लगता है कि बहुत अच्छा है फंडामेंटली एंड आई हैव डन आवर्स ऑफ रिसर्च ऑन these stocks. बहुत बहुत मेहनत करके आई हैव कम अप विद द लिस्ट फॉर द टॉप थ्री stocks. Before jumping right into the video, I would like to say कि आपको तो पता ही होगा this is a new channel. I have just started making YouTube videos, so I uh, ask you all to help me out by supporting my channel and by liking my videos and by subscribing and by letting me know in the comment section how I can improvise, what I can do. मेरे को पता है बहुत सारे चैनल्स हैं बाहर जो मतलब बहुत बहुत मतलब सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं उनके पास और जो बहुत टाइम से करते जा रहे हैं. But I mean, I think all channels should be given an opportunity. I mean, I know कि there are good channels, but I think जो upcoming channels है उनको भी opportunity देना चाहिए, chances देना चाहिए. And I will not let anyone down. I will try my best to respond to all the comments and whatever I can. And let's jump right into it. But of course, इसका disclaimer है कि please read the disclaimer and know कि you should invest on your own risk and your own abilities and you should do your research invest करने के पहले. तो please keep that in mind and let's begin. तो पहला कंपनी तो जो है दैट इज़ HCL टेक्नोलॉजीज़. ऑल कंपनीज विच आर गोइंग टू बी लिस्टेड इन दिस वीडियो आर वेल नोन कंपनीज़ क्योंकि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये लार्ज कैप कंपनीज़ है. दूसरी बात तो ये बहुत अच्छे कंपनीज़ है फाइनेंशियली. वी विल सी इन अ मिनट. जिनको नहीं पता HCL टेक्नोलॉजीज़ इज़ इन द IT इंडस्ट्री. जैसे देख सकते हो इट्स रिटन बिजनेस ऑफ कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग कंसल्टेंसी एंड रिलेटेड एक्टिविटीज़. तो इट इज़ अ ह्यूज कंपनी. बहुत अच्छा कंपनी है. ऑफ कोर्स मतलब मैंने 50-60 टॉप लार्ज कैप कंपनीज से मैंने टॉप थ्री कंपनीज को शॉर्ट डाउन सेलेक्ट किया है. तो दीज आर द बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट. लाइक दीज आर super companies. So let's look at the financials. अभी आपको पता है what they do. So these are the financials of HCL Technologies. Market cap is huge market cap. So for those who do not know, a market cap of more than 20,000 crores is supposed to be a large cap company. ये तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा मतलब ज़्यादा है 20,000 crores से. Current price is 799. Sorry, 979. और I think it is still fairly good because stock PE is 20, industry PE is 29. सस्ते में मिल रहा है मेरे हिसाब से. it's a great buy. PEG ratio is 1.97 suggesting कि growth अभी भी है कंपनी में. I mean it is going to grow. Dividend yield ज़्यादा नहीं है. Dividend payout भी ज़्यादा नहीं है compared to the other companies. But this is really a growth company जो बहुत grow करने वाला है. तो it makes sense to not give out so much dividend because जो भी उनका पैसे आ रहा है they are reinvesting it and making it big. So they don't want to give out the money. Like they want to grow क्योंकि उनके competition बहुत मतलब Infosys, TCS, these are their competitive बहुत बड़े बड़े companies है. तो to compete with them they have to be doing everything spot on. तो डेट बहुत कम. डेट टू इक्विटी बहुत कम. डेट भी 5,000 करोड़ है. बट कंपेयरिंग टू द फ्री कैश फ्लो एंड द मार्केट कैप दिस इज़ एक्चुअली नथिंग. जब चाहिए चुका सकते हैं. फिर इन्वेंट्री टर्नओवर शुड बी ग्रेटर दैन 1 विच इज़ इट्स 20. पेग रेशियो मैंने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर लिया है. करंट रेशियो इज़ ग्रेटर दैन 2. करंट रेशियो सिग्निफाइज की मतलब हाउ इज़ इट मैनेजिंग शॉर्ट टर्म. इट्स शॉर्ट टर्म डेट तो बहुत अच्छे से मैनेज कर रहा है. तो इट इज़ ग्रेटर दैन 2. वेल एंड गुड. Now let's jump to the shareholding, promoter shareholdings. So the promoter shareholdings are 60%. 60% of the promoters have invested in this company, which is a very good sign. No one has pledged their holdings at all, or that is that. Matlab, promoters are good in the company. And looking at the financial trend, their profits have been increasing from 2018. 2019 में they earned a profit of 1,000 crores. उसके बाद उनका revenue भी increase हुआ, उनका profit भी increase हुआ. From 1,000 crores they went to 11,000 crores. And it's overall just amazing. Like it's very difficult to find anything bad about this company. The next company is Coromandel International Limited. So it's a Basically, Coromandel International Limited is an Indian corporation founded in 1960s and इनका basic काम जो है that is with fertilizers, जैसे आप देख सकते हो fertilizers, pesticides and specialty nutrients. So ये इनका काम है. I don't know बहुत लोग इसके बारे में सुने होंगे कि नहीं, but it's a large cap company. I think before we go there, I think I forgot to include the page. Let me just see online Coromandel का मिल गया तो. So this is there. I forgot to put that in the presentation. By the way, for people who don't know, I use Screener.in. बहुत बढ़िया है. But anyways, so इसका current price is 773. Peg ratio is 0.75. बहुत मतलब 0.75 for a large cap company like this is amazing. Anything less than 1 is, it shows that it is undervalued और बहुत बढ़िया growth होगा. So those are very good numbers. Return भी बहुत अच्छा है और debt भी बहुत कम है. Current ratio is greater than 1. Free cash flow अच्छा है. So I think out of the top 3 companies जिनके financials best है, I think I will go with this company. They are very good. Like dividend, I think इनका payout ज़्यादा खास नहीं है, but again like they are a top growth company. तो these are the like financial terms जो देखने हैं. अभी ये शेयर होल्डिंग का देखोगे, आप देखोगे कि 57% है प्रमोटर होल्डिंग्स, 0.1% प्लेज हुआ है. I mean that's not it's as good as nothing has been pledged और वो constant है. तो वो मतलब it might be like companies tactics to increase the share price or something, nothing to worry about. तो आप देख सकते हो it's just 57%. नेक्स्ट इनका जो प्रॉफिट्स है वो भी बढ़ रहा है. ऑफ कोर्स नॉट एज मच एज HCL Tech. उसका तो 11,000 crores था. नॉट एज much as HCL Tech, but they are getting profit. Like every year they have been making profit. Like even during COVID, इनको मतलब profit बनाया है ये लोग. Revenue more or less is the same, but the main point is this is an amazing company. Financials are very good. This is good for investment. If you want, you can. I mean, of course, you need to do your research, but I would buy, and if it hits 5%, I would probably book my profit. और बढ़ रहा है तो मैं भेजूंगा ही नहीं, because कोर्स कौन भेजेगा. एंड फिर लास्ट तो सबको ही पता होगा. आई मीन Alchem Labs, they develop and manufacture pharmaceutical products. बहुत बहुत solid company है. One more thing you all will notice is that I could have included way many more companies, but I've tried to keep those companies जिनके current market price is less than 5,000 rupees. I didn't want to exceed that क्योंकि I just didn't want to exceed that. Tell me if you want to see a video with the top companies as well. मैं बना दूंगा. तो that's what Alchem Labs do. I mean उनके I think promoter holding top 3 में से सबसे ज़्यादा है. 62% of the companies hold into promoter. और इनके FIIs और DIIs भी बहुत अच्छे हैं. For those who don't know, FIIs is foreign investment or DI is direct. So nothing has been pledged, more or less the same. Nothing has been pledged, more or less. I mean, इनका जो holdings है promoters के, it's more or less been the same. तो that is that. और इनके profits भी बढ़ गए. मतलब you can see it's coming up. Like 2018 में नीचे गया, but because of COVID इनका revenue आप देख सकते हो क्या jump हुआ है, profit भी jump हुआ है. All the pharmaceutical companies did well during COVID, but I think ये company और भी run up करेगा. It's very good. I mean, I don't think कि this company needs COVID to function. I think this company has very good financials which can support my claim. और मेरे को क्या बोलना था इसके बारे में. I wanted to talk about its I think we हाँ कि all these companies have मतलब increased their profits. मतलब सारे companies के profit बढ़े हैं. None of the companies have fallen in profit. सबके profits बढ़ चुके हैं मतलब. So the net profit जो change हुआ है वो बढ़ चुका है. आपको जिनको financials देखना है, here are the financials. Current market price is 2,700. Stock P is 21, industry P 22, more or less the same. Peg ratio बहुत ही बढ़िया है. I think this stands out 0.85, perfect number. I love that number is beautiful. Current ratio greater than 1, no problem. Inventory turnover greater than 1 होना चाहिए, 2 है. Debt is 1000 crore, but it's fine. I mean, they have so much of free cash flow, और उनका debt to equity भी काफ़ी कम है, promoter holding ज़्यादा है, market cap ज़्यादा है, so ये कभी भी चुका सकता है, not a big deal. और yeah, I mean, you can see dividend payout ज़्यादा खास नहीं है, but we are focusing on the growth stocks जो मतलब बहुत जल्दी grow कर जाएगा. Like if you look at companies which are well developed there for a long time, like uh, ITC, all these companies, they pay you a lot of dividend, TCS and all. I think TCS ka dividend payout is 80 something. So they pay out a lot because I mean they are well established, and they are giving a back to their shareholders. But companies like Alchem Labs are also there for a long time, but they focus on growth. Their main purpose is to grow, and which they are doing. Like if you look at their uh, chart as well, if you look at their max chart, you will see an overall upward trend. So I think ये COVID के बाद it's going to go even more up. So these were my top 3 stocks. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. आपको comments करना है, comment में बताओ what I should do next, how I can improve, and yeah, have a nice day. Peace out.